For invoking the auto-diagnostic test routine, you have to press program key once and water level key twice simultaneously. Press all the keys except for the power key. Next step, open the lid. Wait for the buzzer tone. Once the buzzer tone is heard, close the lid. After the lid open close condition, the ATR will execute a wash cycles, that is fill, agitation, drain and spin. Wait till the end of the cycle buzzer tone. As this machine is not having any defects, it passes all the auto-diagnostic steps till the end of the cycle and there is no error indicated. Auto-diagnostic test routine now shows PCB failure. PCB failure indication is given through child lock LED. If the child lock LED glows, replace the power board.